Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix BGMI Battleground Mobile India app not installed problem solved. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here let me just show you, let me just go to this Battlegrounds, and if you are trying to install this, and let me just click on install option, and then you can see here it's on an installing process. But if you are facing difficult to install, or if it is showing like app not install, or if there is a package parsing or something, any problem, so in this video you can fix the problem of BGMI. So you can see here app not installed. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here, I'm going to show you in this video. Just click on done option, just go back. First step which you have to do is you have to go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, and then here you have to search for one application, that is VPN. So you can get any VPN, but I will recommend to use VPN, Quick VPN or Super VPN. Okay, so let me just go for Quick VPN, and then you must install this VPN. First step is this. So after installing, what you need to do here, you have to connect the VPN with India server, because sometimes your server is not exactly like an Indian server, so it used to create some problem. So you have to confirm that your server is from India, and BGMI Battleground is an Indian game, so the backend might get confused. So just download this Quick VPN, and then let me just go further how to connect it. I'm gonna show you in this video. So let me just wait. So guys, you can see here I have successfully opened the VPN, and you can see here India. So just choose the India here, and then go back. Let me just go here, and you have to select for India. Okay, so here it is. Click on this arrow sign on the bottom, connecting to India Mumbai. You can see on the top, so it just connected. So guys, this is the first step, and then after connecting you can check it out whether it has been solved or not. So guys, the next step which I'm going to show you here is, so guys, the next step is you have to go to your phone settings, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So guys, here you have to search for app, install app or app manager. So let me just search for apps and notification here. So here you can see there are all kind of apps. So here you can see app permission. Simply tap on app permission, and then you have to allow each and every permission here. So after this, just go back and check whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, just click to settings again, and then you have to go to system, and then you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if your system is asking for any update, make sure to update your system, and then this problem will be solved. So guys, the last and the foremost last thing which I'm going to share with you is that you have to switch off your phone and then restart your phone, then this problem will absolutely solve. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.